My great-grandpa, Richard Lamppa, started making sauna stoves as what we would call now maybe a side hustle. You know, it allowed us to make, you know, my dad to develop amazing products out of there. We manufacture the cleanest burning wood furnace ever tested by the EPA. They basically operated out of there for 40 some years, kind of structured the same way, which is, I wouldn't recommend waiting that long to scale your business. That was probably a little longer, but I do recommend patience, you know, having the right product.
Business that started in the early 1900s. And in northern Minnesota, if you don't know sauna, you better know Kuma wood stoves. Welcome Garrett as our distinction honoree with Lamppa Manufacturing.
It's an honor and a privilege to be recognized for this. It's really a three-pronged approach, you know, with us, family, you know, employees, and our community. Definitely to my dad and my grandpa. I mean, you know, without them doing all the hard work, I wouldn't be here in the first place. So